Welcome back to our MATLAB series. Hope you all are doing great. Today, we will learn some more commands. If you haven't watched our previous videos, you can find the playlist link in description, or a card will also appear at the top. So without further ado, let's start the lesson. As you all know, we were discussing format commands in our last video, so we will continue from there. The first command for today is format bank command. As you all know, the default format is format short, which shows up to 4 decimal digits. Using format bank, it will show up to 2 decimal digits, as you can see here in the example. The second command for today is format compact command. As you would have noticed that when you run a command and run it, there is quite an space between the answer. Using this command, the space then becomes less. Let's see here in the example. Now, as you can see, the space after where it's written, answer equals to, is less than what it was before. The third command for today is format loose command. You can say it does the opposite of what format compact does. As you know, we made the space less before, so this time, we'll increase or make it how it was before. Let's use an example here. As you can clearly see the difference that now, the space has gotten back to normal. Now, the last lesson for today is how we can use infinity in MATLAB. There are multiple ways, so let's see them. The first is using 1 divided from 0. As you can see, it shows INF, which mean infinity. The next way is to type INF with any digit, like here let's add it to 3, and the answer comes infinity. The last command of today is n, or not a number command. It simply means a value which cannot be expressed or is undefined. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care of yourself and stay tuned for more upcoming content.